Woo! Guys, we are back. This has been a wonderful day for AMC and GameStop and Highcroft Mining if you guys are in it. Crypto Rocketeer, man, good afternoon to you. Nick F, we got Paul, Crypto Rocketeer, Paul, Redline, Sean, Eight Fathers Man Child, Pikato, JB, and I'm good, thanks. Pringleton Brian in the house today. What's going on, everybody? Saying better close at $30 per share. $30 per share on AMC today. We are sitting at $28.62 right now. We are rolling higher into the close. AMC stock up 42% today. Guys, these are insane gains for AMC stock. It is looking absolutely beautiful. AMC is up 42%. GameStop up 21% right now. We got Shiba Inu coins still up 12.5% on the day. Prog down here worried about earnings, but it is looking very nice. The NASDAQ did bounce back today, sitting 1% in the green after being down roughly 1% today. Rolling from 14.1 to 14.3 right now. We've got GameStop 183, Prog $1.59, Farmy sitting at a 15.50, AMC 28.56 right now. My gosh, Sundial 78 or 76.80, sorry. Mullen Auto 243, CEI 84. The SPY is up 0.5%. BBIG 296.5, and Highcroft Mining $2.30 right now. Insane gains on the day, guys. I am extremely excited, and I will let you know Twitter is going to be full of naughty pictures if we do close at $30 today. So watch out for that. The girls have been saying they're going to be showing stuff if we get to $30. I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but man, people are excited. Let's watch AMC and GameStop go into the close here, both finishing extremely strong on the day. We'll have to watch how that happens. Hello all. Kathy, good afternoon to you. Let's get 30. Crypto Rocketeer, man, I want to see 30 so bad. Clay, what are the call options at the $30 range? Let's see. I don't know if I'll be able to see them on here. I don't have the if anybody else has numbers that might go out a little bit further than mine do, let us know. $30 range for this Friday. This Friday. We've got about 11,000 call options at that $30 strike right here. We've got some below that. I don't know if you add them all up, but that's basically all I can see right here without being logged in, man. Open interest around 12,000 options there. And then as you go out, clearly it goes a little less. And you got your monthly sitting at 13,000 at $30 for April 14th there. So a lot of interest, not a ton of interest, but you still got a lot sitting at that $13 range. The options today, look at this, guys. Look at this. Options expiring this week. And this goes to whoever was asking about options earlier. I know we were talking about it with Chris, but it was somebody else. I think it might have been Next Trucker or somebody asking. Buy a share of AMC. Great, you're up 42% today. Buy a contract, you're up 750% today on your AMC stock option contracts. These calls are absolutely blowing expectations away. Made 700% today alone. Incredible if anybody is out there sitting on AMC stock call options right now. The gains are insane. AMC, $29 per share, guys. AMC rolling at $29 per share. The game is on. 29.14, 29.14. We're going to hit 30. We're going to hit 30 right now. Look, we blew past this resistance at 26. This is the range we are worried about right here. $28 to $30 per share. We're going to put it at 30, and I think we can hit it, guys. I think we can hit 30. Let's zoom in a little bit, and we will get 30 on the daily here to see if we can make it happen. And let's just leave it at 30.01. 30.01 right there. Let's see where this bad boy... Look at this daily candle. Look at this daily candle. AMC absolutely rolling right now. That daily candle looks incredible. Let's leave that up here for a moment. Chris, good afternoon, Chris, and thank you very much for the super chat. Hope everyone is enjoying today. Today has been insane, Chris. I think it was Clay, and it said, never get tired of being a leader, so good news, your boy is stepping up and will be head mowing supervisor of the largest residential contract in the state. Boom, Chris. Now that's what I'm talking about. Everybody, round of applause for Chris out there stepping up to head mowing supervisor of the largest residential contract in this state. Chris, that sounds amazing, man. Absolutely congratulations to you. Guys, We are all bros. I want to see 61. Congratulations for the promotion there. Chris being number 1 head mower of the biggest residential contract in the state. Chris, that is awesome, man. That is something to be very proud of. I know a lot of you guys, you might not enjoy the jobs you're doing right now. Chris really stepping up and taking some responsibility on his shoulders there. Chris, man, sincerely, congratulations. I do think that is awesome. Never get tired of being a leader. I like it, man. Let's get 33 post-market. I'm good, thanks. We absolutely could. Congrats, Chris. Awesome news on an awesome day. Yes, it is, man. Yes, it is. This is awesome, Chris. It is awesome. Christy, thank you very much. Dude, my fingers hovering, outdoor smile. What's it hovering over? The sell button? Where are you at? Congrats, Chris. Congrats, Chris. You guys are amazing. Still king. Chris is king. I don't care if something good happened to Chris. It should have happened to me. Prostate pleaser. It can happen to you, man. It absolutely can happen to you. There's no saying that you can't have something great happen to you today, but there's no sense in bringing anybody else down if it doesn't happen. So we congratulate Chris, and next we will be congratulating you. Michael says, congratulations, Chris. I love it. Chris, you my boy. Blue, you my boy. I'm the head supervisor. Your deep V-neck shit in the section. I'll mow that for you. Eric, well, there's nothing to mow, man. Ain't nothing to mow. This is trimmed up and ready to go, man. Nice and tight we got going on there. Luca Tony. We gotta level up for Luca Tony. Level up. We gotta level up. We gotta level up. Thank you very much, Luca Tony, for the level up. Guys, look at this green candle on the chart right now. This is insane action. We are sitting at 29.48. We still got 9 minutes left in the day. I say we go 30. I say we go 30. I want to know in the chat right now, are we going 30? Do you guys think we bust 30 today? Or do you think we stay under 30? 30 is going to be a huge level. If we break this, guys, if we break this area right in here, boom, we're moving 35 back up into the 38 range. This is going to be difficult. It's not going to be easy. We got resistance here, resistance here, resistance in this area, resistance in this area. So it is going to be a big break if we do, and I wouldn't be surprised if 35 is next on the line and then 38 after that. Oh, man. If you're thinking about adding right now, if you're thinking about adding shares of AMC, do keep these lines in consideration. We may bounce back off. We may see a little bit of a pullback tomorrow if we hit this resistance and we can't break it. But I'm telling you what, if we break through, it's going to be looking very nice for AMC. I'm excited about it. I bet you guys are excited about it as well. Let's get this giant green candle on the chart here. Man, it is looking good. What do we got going on? This new apartment is great omen for AMC. Crypto Rocketeer, I absolutely think it might be, man. Chris, great work, bro. Absolutely, Chris is the man. Thanks, guys, ladies, apes. You gotta keep making opportunity. Absolutely, Chris. You're killing it out there. 30. Are you all done with ApeCoin? No, Brian, I'm not done with ApeCoin, man. I don't own any ApeCoin, but I do think that ApeCoin's actually looking a lot better to me. It's steadying out a little bit. Volume is not as volatile. The price is not as volatile, but I do think that ApeCoin could see some continued gains, but less volatility. That's what I like to see. Is exploding. It is exploding, and it is looking beautiful right now. Guys, this candle is insane today. I mean, look at that. 40+%. We are at 46% right now. 29.62. Guys, I say we go 30. I say we go 30. What do you guys think? 30, yes? 30, yes? I don't know. Bust 30s. Chrissy says, yep. Pringleton says, yep. Hulan says, yep. We got holy moly. Victor saying, yep. If it gets to 30, should I sell some, put it back in when Shiba goes back to... Michael, completely up to you, man. You know, I don't know the best strategy to take. Selling Shiba, buying AMC, selling Shiba, selling either one, and going in and getting out. I'm committed to holding. I believe in a short squeeze, and I think we could get there. But do keep in mind, guys, that this 30 level is a level of resistance. So it's going to give us some problems just breaking right through it. Is this the it, Clay? I'm so excited. So, boss man, I don't think that this is the it yet, okay? I don't think that this is necessarily the squeeze yet. If you come over here and you look, we have 213 million shares being traded today. You might be saying, my God, dude, how do we have 230 million shares being traded? That's half the float. Well, yes, it is. But if you look at the turnover percentage, 41%. People are buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. They are not buying and holding today. This is a lot of trading. This is a lot of day traders. This is a lot of action. So please don't think that you got diamond-handed apes jumping in here right now and eating these shares up. This is simply action on the traders front, and I guess day traders, swing traders, and so on, getting in and getting out. I don't want anybody confuse that with a short squeeze play and so on. This is a lot to do with trading the stock, holding it for very short periods of time and getting back out. Yes, we're going to break it. I'm good. Thanks. Let's get that. Break it 30. Cassie says 30.01. Let's make it happen. Okay, so serious question. What about AMC a debt? Do you think they will pay down? If so, what do you think the stock price, what do you think it will do to the stock price? So, Eric, I don't know, man. I don't know if they're going to be focused on paying down debt or not. I think that they might say they're going to pay down debt if they do decide to, and try and run for more authorized shares or anything like that. But I don't know. With the $1 billion and like the $5 billion they have in debt, I think that they're trying to play on offense right now and build up revenue, buy up new theaters, and instead of cleaning up the balance sheet, I think that they're trying to get a higher top line, a higher revenue that can trickle down to a higher bottom line if things are ran efficiently. I'm not 100% convinced they're into paying debt right now. But even with that being said, back at these prices, back at $30 a share for AMC, I don't think that AMC justifies these prices even with very little debt. So if they did dilute the shares, if they did come into money, even if they clean the slate, I still don't think that we are trading at fundamental value. So our hedge fund's getting margin called. Victor, I don't think we're there yet. I actually did see Trey posted some numbers earlier today. I think he said that AMC's average shares or average borrowed shares days on loan or whatever was like 70 days or something, and the price was like $22. So they would have been in the red on those borrowed shares based on the numbers today. If the average price is $22, then yes, they'd be in the red right now on average. Not necessarily everybody, but on average. So that's good to know, but I don't know if that is leading to any margin calls. It's still not a huge loss that they'd be experiencing. Clay, do you think AMC will go down again in April and kind of stay in the low 30s? So I'm good, thanks. It's absolutely possible that it goes down. These gains that we're seeing here, this is not a normal day, okay? This day right here with a 45% plus gain, really trying to tap on 30's door, hitting 29.80? 29.73 is what we hit today. I mean, you are talking days like this here, okay? This is what we're looking at here. Going from $20 a share, okay? $20 a share all the way up to $30 a share in the same day. This is the exact day that we've got right here. I mean, you guys can just slide sideways. Honestly, I want to leave this at 20, but we'll mock this candle out here, okay? Bottom line is the bottom of the candle, top line is top of the candle. We come over here. We see the candle we've got today. I mean, it's just a tad smaller. Last week, if we include last week's candle, we are right there in the exact same area that we were back in end of May leading into June. So, yes, I'm excited about the move that we have today. Now, look, if we have anything similar, learn for a second here, okay? If we have anything similar tomorrow taking place, we could see a run up all the way to $36, and we might run into resistance. I would actually say the run up to like $32 is going to be a little bit tougher. But if we do break through the 31, 32, and so on tomorrow, 38 is going to be in that area. This $36 to $38 price range will provide resistance. And if that happens, man, you can see that we could absolutely run into a very volatile sell-off. But look, if this is the time we're meant to be in, the gains can be so much bigger than we are currently at right now. This is back in June, and this is what we're facing right now. Very, very similar situation. If we get some follow-through tomorrow, we could see an extremely volatile day, running to $36, $38, all the way back down to $22. Traders in high volume bring high volatility. Now, it does not mean that the squeeze is on. It does not mean that AMC is done. It does not mean if we pull back a little bit that this play is over. You have to be able to stomach the volatility if you expect to make it through this play and make it through a short squeeze. So what we are looking at right now is very, very similar to what we saw back at the end of May. We just have to see the follow through and the break through these resistance levels. Outdoor smile. Hype, 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 hype. Outdoor smile. We've got the hype going, man. Today is a very good day. We are at the close. Sorry, guys. I didn't even see that we were sitting at 4 o'clock right now. AMC closing the day. What is this? 29.32. Let's see if we are on the actual end of the day here. Yes, AMC closed the day at 29.35. We did not make $30 per share during the trading day, but we closed 45.01% higher. Phenomenal trading for AMC there. We got Shiba Inu coin sitting at 28.73, Prague $1.61, sitting at $1.62 after hours. GameStop 25% gain on the day, $190 per share for GameStop there. The Nasdaq soaring higher today, adding 1.30%. Farmy sitting at 15.46, at 15.50 after hours. A little volatility towards the end of the day there with 225,000 shares being traded in the last minute. We've got Sundial just not doing too much today. It was down a little bit and seems to be selling off a little after hours here, down 1%. Mullen Auto 245, CEI 86.73. The SPY closed 0.70%. BBIG $2.97 close, and HYMC Highcroft Mining closing the day at $2.32, up 81%. Guys, incredible action across the market. You know what? It's actually not incredible action across the market today. It's incredible action across these meme stocks that we've been investing in. A lot of volatility and a lot of excitement there, but not necessarily across the market, okay? We didn't see this type of action. It wasn't typical for today. AMC, Highcroft, GameStop, blowing all other stocks away today. Incredible. This is shill. This is shill, man, whatever that means. When did you first buy Shiba? Dude, I don't know. I started buying into Shiba after it started falling. Let's see. No, I think it was on the way up, and then I added more as it was falling. So it was probably in October sometime. I did not get in before the major run-up in Shiba. 1 minute, Clay. Sorry, Pringleton, I missed that. Can we get another level up? Brian, let's get that level up, man. We need another level up. Anybody want another level up in here? 29.33, let's go. Load up. Woohoo, looking forward to tomorrow. Christy, this could be an amazing day tomorrow. If we see some follow-through and we break through that $30 level, even if we get some action after hours here, I wouldn't be terribly... You know what? Let's see if we can go out. Let's see if we can see what the after hours action looked like on that run way back at the end of May. Let's see if we can make it that far. Okay. So this is the day we were talking about here in May. Very, very similar candle, right? May 27th. Dang, the day after my birthday. What a beautiful birthday present that was. AMC running from $18 to $30 per share in this trading day right here. After hours. So we did have a little sell-off towards the afternoon, and then we had about 4. Is this going to lead us? Yeah, so this is still... No, you know what? After hours wasn't very exciting. Pre-market the next day comes in here and starts just rising. Pre-market took us all the way to 33 the next morning. So we could actually get more excited about the pre-market than we could after hours. If today resembles anything like it did back in May, you're talking possibly a sell-off and a kind of a stagnation or slow period after hours today. Tomorrow morning could get pretty exciting. So we're going to keep our eyes on that and then watch and see what happens. But look at the volatility the following day, guys. Runs up at the open. Runs up. A lot of people excited. Runs all the way up to that $36 line. And then sells off and ends down here around $28 per share. So very, very volatile 1 hour open candle the next day. I don't know if tomorrow is going to be anything similar, but you guys see what happened here the following day. And then all of this action after hours. Look at this action after hours the next day, going from 32 all the way up to 44. And then, oh my gosh. I'm telling you, if you guys aren't excited about AMC, I don't know how to get you excited about AMC. Oops. I don't even know where this line was. It's probably here. I don't know where that line was. Sorry. I was trying to... I can't even go all the way up to the top of this daily candle. My God, that is beautiful. That is a beautiful candle we've got on AMC, and after hours starting to turn here, so that's looking good. We will keep our eyes on Prague, though, guys. Prague down here at the bottom. You guys want Prague with the earnings in the bottom left? Are you guys cool with GameStop down there? What do you want? I guess if we get closer to 4:30, we can watch Prague. Why does Elon have such a low buying limit? Garbage. Outdoor Smile, I do not know. Are you talking about Dojalon Mars? Is that what you're saying? Holy moly, that was fun. Nini Waka, goodness gracious, Nini. So glad to have. I haven't seen you in forever. So glad you're in here, Nini. Waiting on that Prague report. Yes, Keith, 4:30, is that what it is? I don't want any after-hour pre-market gaps. JB doesn't want anything to film in. He only wants a daily action. We're going to get it. JB, just for you. That's what we got. Julia, sup? We got loving the eggplants out there. Everybody's a vegetarian. Neither. I didn't see what he says, man. Sorry. Adota J. I didn't see what you said there. GameStop. Hey. Nini Walk. So glad to have you in here for real. That's the Senior Citizen Extra Strength Viagra. Yes, it is, man. That daily candle right there. Booming. I'll be leaving to listen to the product call, so don't worry about my thoughts on the location of the chart. GameStop has my permission to stay. Yeah, but if Prague starts rolling, you don't want to watch it. GameStop's actually rolling right now, though, so we actually got a lot of good after-hours action going on here, and I'm excited about it. AMC and G meet to the moon. KO bets. Don't you guys, when it's running up like this, don't you guys just wish you had more and had more and had more? I know everybody, I'm so happy that it's going up today. Clearly, on days like this, I wish I had more, but you guys got to stay reasonable, right, with the amount of shares that you have. But, man, it's such a good feeling when it's going up as opposed to when it's going down. Last couple of weeks, last couple of months, really, guys, I know we've been facing a lot with a lot of red candles, but this is just beautiful to see this price action. And you know what? Good question. Did anybody break even today? Did anybody, with the day we had, did anybody go from red to green on their AMC? My AMC is down in the $13 range, so I barely broke red. I think it was like 2 days over the last couple of months. Did anybody go green today? Yes, still July Morris. Gotcha. Clay, you still holding AMC? Jonathan, absolutely, man. Big day today. Marcos, today was insane. Clay, no, anything? Medex, no, I think that there's a lot of people that, I think Medex, is that the Chinese one? I know a lot of people compare MedX to Farmy, I'm pretty sure. But I don't know anything about it, dude. I just think a lot of people compare this to Farmy. Okay, for Chinese students. Yeah, I don't know too much about it, man. I just know anytime I see people hyped up about Farmy, people are hyped up about MedX too. And I think they did try to break $1 here a couple times, but they've been getting hit pretty hard recently. As far as like knowing anything about them though, no. Unfortunately, I don't. Yes, red to even. Outdoor Smile. Very nice, man. Clay's excited, talking like Speedy Gonzalez. I never talk like Speedy Gonzalez, man. I gotta keep my excitement level down a little bit. 41 average, unfortunately. Brian, listen, man. Listen, 41 average. Don't say unfortunately, okay? You got in. You still have AMC, though. So when AMC breaks that level, you're going to be doing better than somebody who doesn't have any AMC. 28.65 average in AMC. Nice. Frank going green today. Frank going green today. Hit the like, bros. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper. Guys, please do hit the like button. I don't know how many we got. We only got 51 likes right now. I've only seen 100 plus likes like twice in the last 3 months. So if you guys could click the like button, I appreciate that. How much FOMO do you think contributed to things like Shiba, for example? Shib Killer. I think in October, it was probably 99% FOMO jumping in. I think that it was crazy amount of FOMO in October. Today's gains, I don't think today's gains were too much FOMO on Shiba. I think today's gains on AMC, maybe a little FOMO, but vast majority day trading and traders jumping in. First bought in February 2021, but continue to buy through summer. Average cost $23.85. Finally seeing green after today. Nice, man. I love seeing you guys in the green. One Bro Trailer Park with a NASCAR, a racetrack, and barbecue pits. Soon. Tomorrow. It's always tomorrow. Julia Gulia. Bro Trailer Park tomorrow. Finally seeing green again after today. D, man, I love it. I need about $10 more to break even, but I'm not selling it there. Cassie, I love it. You'll be in the green as well. Overall, I'm just green today. AMC still a red, but GME makes it overall green. Pringleton, perfect, man. GameStop really rolling higher too. I know it didn't gain 45% today, but a 25% gain is incredible, man. It's incredible how much these two stocks gained today. Mad gain, Space Ape, and it has been a beautiful day for sure. It's green, baby, in the green. Space Ape in the green. Diego De Paula. Could you please say hello to my daughter, Sophia De Paula? She is 10 years old. She would love to hear her name. Cheers, bro. Sophia De Paula, what's going on? Hopefully you're having a great day today. And Diego De Paula, shout out to you as well. Sophia, Diego, hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. Stock market looking very good. NASDAQ up 1% plus. AMC, GameStop soaring today. So Sophia, Diego, hopefully you guys are just really enjoying your day. I'm green in the grass. We got a few GME shares above 300, killing my average there. I feel you, KO Bets. I feel you. GameStop was really trading above 300 for a while. It has come down. Hopefully we get back to 300 on GameStop. I mean, listen, I don't have any GameStop myself, but I want everybody to make money. Wait, we will, when we see a drop or a pullback, I've been here since last June and held through the crazy pullback last 5 months. So I don't know if we will for sure, Manuel, but I absolutely think there's a level of resistance at $30, okay? And I don't want to just say that we're going to clean break it and not have to worry about resistance holding up and act like resistance doesn't exist. So I do see a level of resistance at $30. I also see a level of resistance at that $36 to $38 range. So this right here, man, this is not just a line to mark where we were on the chart today. It's our resistance level in this range right here, and then from back in here. So yes, we could bounce off this tomorrow and go a little bit lower tomorrow. If we break it, not excited for this 48 just yet. I'm excited for a roll up into this area, 36 to 38 bucks. So this would be what I'm excited about on a breakout. If we pull back, we should have a little support here in the $27 to $28 range and possibly coming back down to the lower 20s if we do see a pullback. But I don't want anybody to think that it's invincible now, it can never pull back or anything like that. Resistance lines, support lines, they are real, and traders use them. And right now, we have a lot of traders entering AMC. What are your opinions on Sundial? Dude, Sundial, I don't own any Sundial. I sold off. I think Sundial is going to be extremely attached to the news that's coming out about decriminalization. GameStop was trading at $77 2 weeks ago, and AMC was trading at like $12.90, man. It's insane how far these two stocks have come just in the last 2 weeks. Yo, Clay, bro, up 11,700 in GameStop call options. JK Trader. Dude, I don't know when your options expire, okay? But a run like today, on Monday, if they expire this week, okay, you're going to be much better off taking them earlier than you would later. I don't know where your expiration, I don't know where your strike is, what your expiration is, but you got a lot more money riding on with earlier gains than you do waiting closer to the expiration there. $11,700 in call options on GameStop. Congratulations, man. That is incredible. Like 192 average, my 50 shares tomorrow. KO Bets. Let's get it, Clay. You need to get some GME. Danelle, I know I do. Now with it running up, though, I'm like, dang it, man. I wish I would have got it at $75. Thanks, Clay, for your daily update, man. Well, absolutely. Glad to have you in here. AMC and BBBY are fighting more corruption than any other stocks in history. Let's share them on every social media we got and give everyone we know a chance to make life-changing money. Randy's trying to get back to the roots, man. Randy's bringing us back to the good old days in AMC when everybody was telling everybody. My April 14th $30 calls closed up 109%. Frank, soaring. Flying. And Frank is making some sick money on those call options as well. 1348 strategy has everyone printing money. Yeah, dude. Well, listen. And here's what I have to say about that. Okay, a lot of you guys know that you hang out in here every day. 1348. A lot of people could be making some money, but look, you got a 1348 daily crossover today on AMC. So some people might be jumping into AMC today on this crossover at a level of resistance, and we might see it pull back tomorrow. Please know that on days like today, where AMC does nothing but go up, yes, it is an incredible time to trade moving averages. That is a beautiful move. When AMC does nothing but move higher, that is awesome. If AMC is trading sideways, you get in here, you get in, and then, you get out, and then you get in and you get out. There's been some more days. AMC is trading sideways, you short it, and then you get in above where you shorted it, and then you try to go long, and then you get back out below where you got in. It's very, very difficult. Moving averages are not that great of a strategy if the stock is moving sideways. If the stock is trending higher, see, these 2 days right here, it's not going to be a good idea to strictly follow entry and exit criteria on moving average crossovers. Days like today, where it's trending, you get in this morning at $20 and you're sitting here at 29 and you're still in. Incredible. So just be aware, just be careful of what you guys are trading. I mean, you guys can make your own decisions, right? But just be aware of trading moving averages and know your risks. Shared AMC on Instagram today and Twitter. So happy with today's rocket. Cassie was beautiful. Unless I am misreading the information, I likely am. Prog missed the earnings per share estimate by almost double the loss that was predicted. Let's see if Weeble's got them updated yet. You might not be reading it wrong. Where is my prog? Anybody else confirm with that? I don't know where my prog's at. I can never find anything on that watch list. Any news? 12 minutes ago? Okay, let's see. Prog provides corporate update and reports fourth quarter and full year earnings results. Fourth quarter loss per share of 56 cents, generated $7.7 million in revenue during the fourth quarter, of which $7.2 million came from discontinued operations. I don't know what their estimates were. So they did have a 56 cent per share loss. They did have a 56% share loss. 63% increase over our loss of $1.53 per share from the same period last year. Okay, so they did good, though. They did well. They reported a loss of 56 cents. And last year, the same period, they lost $1.53 per share. So they did better than the period before. I don't know what their estimates were, but I also don't know how many shares they diluted over the last year. So if they diluted and there's more shares outstanding now than there was back then, Prog would, of course, the loss per share would be less because there's many more shares outstanding. So you're dividing it into many more shares. If you're new here, send a super sticker and watch the action. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much, man. Let's get back to Clay, bro. Share the channel with somebody while the memes are bussin'. Let's go, KO Bets. Appreciate you, man. I could easily be doing it wrong because I'm using my phone, pretending to work, and jumping between like 4 tabs. They tweeted it. Listen, you could be, man. You could be, but they lost 56 cents. If their estimates were roughly like 15 to 18 cents, then yes, they would have lost 4 times as much. AMC taking off after hours. Now it's about to hit 30 after hours. Let's go. AMC going to hit 30 after hours. What do you think about Highcroft? It jumps 80%. Eric, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I don't like Highcroft. I know a lot of people do like Highcroft. I don't like Highcroft. So I'm not going to tell you I do like it if I don't like it. So I don't like Highcroft. It did have an amazing gain today, though, but I don't like it. When will the popcorn start selling? Thomas, hopefully sooner rather than later, man. Juan Pon, thank you very much for the super sticker. Appreciate this one, man. Yee-hoo! 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 Thank you very much, Juan Pon, for the super sticker. Appreciate that very much, man. That is a good one. The cheerleader, man. I can't really do the split, like bringing my legs up to do the split and things like that. Plus, it might get a little weird on camera if I'm like spread out right in front of everybody. But Juan Pon, thank you very much for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate the cheerleader. We are going and we are rolling, man. I love it. Juan Pon, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. You're amazing. Depending on where I get the estimate from, they either missed by a lot or beat by a lot. I don't know which I need to go by, to be honest. Well, dude, go by the one that beat, man. No, actually, I don't know what the estimates were. Is there a consensus estimate? You actually might be able to see some pretty decent estimates on Financial Times, or not Financial Times, Yahoo Finance. So finance.yahoo.com, check out Prague, and then you can click on and find their financials and see what the analyst expectations were. Thoughts on Hive, Clay? Someone bought a Queen Bee NFT for $120,000. Dude, NFTs are getting crazy. I don't know anything about Hive Project, JB. I'm not going to lie, dude. I don't know anything about it, but it sounds like a $120,000 NFT that is also a project that is rolling. Trading View. Revenue down 0.5. Earnings down 0.16. Earnings per share and earnings revenue, well, $435,000 and earnings $250,000. Devil's advocate, I'm not understanding exactly what you're saying there, but I don't know. I can look at it in a second if you want. Wait, you need kids. You'd be a fun father. Tap channel. Thank you, man. Thank you. I give all of you guys my energy. So, doesn't that mean Prague stock will go up in value? Shredder. If it had bad earnings, it might go up in value. If it had good earnings, we would expect it to go down in value. So, yes, it might actually go up on bad earnings. AMC had a great day today, and I am feeling great. Thanks for your streams, Clay. DY Choi, I'm feeling amazing today. AMC had an incredible day today, guys. 45% is insane. If we strung together another 50% increase, we'd be sitting at $45 tomorrow. Think about that. If we had another day tomorrow, just like today, we will be sitting at $45 per share. That would be insane to string 2 days like this together. We got to take the wins, we got to be grateful, and we got to move forward happy with the gains we had today. But it's hard to expect it to do the exact same thing. If it does, it's going to be insane. Lauren might want kids. Yeah, Lauren might want kids too, man. I don't know how much energy Lauren's got, but yes. It's a crazy world out there, Outdoor Smile. Yesterday, everybody thoughts on Pugnacious was on stream earlier, going through medical issues, healing energy to our bro. Yes, Pugnacious, we hope you're doing well, man. Keep it going. Just hit 8:30 AMC rolling 30.24. Currently sitting at 29.68. We got AMC making some after hours moves. GameStop could even be knocking on 200's door after hours today. AMC tapped out at 196, even pulling back to 191 right now. AMC tapped 30.24, sitting at 29.70 right now. Oh my goodness, the after hours action is alive, ladies and gentlemen. Looking very good. Shiba Rocket, baby, let's go. Sending healing thoughts and prayers to Pugnacious, Alice in Wonderland. Thank you. Shiba Rocket, baby. Shiba's sitting on a rocket too. Shiba Rocket. Let's get a Shiba Rocket going. We're up 12% today. We could get some more gains in here. Clay, what point might you look at changing streams, etc., if we're moving like this? Pringleton. You mean changing stream times, like streaming more throughout the day instead of doing like 11:50, or what do you mean it's changing streams? You mean like doing some longer streams instead of watching the stock price go down? Is that what you're saying? I don't know. I actually wanted to stream a little bit longer today than I did. I was excited all day today. Let's go AMC. DY Choi, let's get it. Happy faces everywhere. AMC to 420.69. 420.69 would be incredible, guys. 420.69 is a good price. Let's get it. I would be happy with 420.69. You know what? I don't know, man. I don't know, because I was feeling pretty excited about it today, and I don't know. You're just going to have to watch out. If I do it, listen, don't get terribly excited if I do go live earlier. Like if I start increasing the stream times, don't be like, oh, this dude thinks it's the squeeze today. It's on because he's on at 11:30 instead of 11:45 tomorrow. And must be the squeeze. It's here. Like, don't freak out. It'll be okay. But I was feeling a little bit excited and wanted to jump in a little earlier than usual. Your guess of what I meant by R&R weren't right. It's reported. Okay, estimated. Okay, good deal, man. Reported down 50 cents, estimated down 16 cents earnings per share, and earnings reported 435 and estimated 250. Is earnings per share or revenue more important? You said earnings per share. So earnings per share, yeah, is typically more important than revenue, because earnings per share is their net profit. Like, that's after all costs and everything. are taken out. That's what they move on with and decide what to use their retained earnings, and either keep it in retained earnings, pay it out in a dividend, and so on. So earnings per share is net profit. Revenue, you typically wouldn't want to see revenue increasing and earnings decreasing. It would mean that you're paying much more to generate the increase in revenue than you were before. So I would say earnings are more important than revenue is. If you're losing revenue but actually making more money, you're being more efficient in that regard. You're spending less, you're earning less, but you're spending much less. This squeeze will be lasting for a couple of days, not just one day. Call me alpha. We absolutely hope so, man. Bell to bell, Clay. We need another Cooking with Clay. JB, we could do a cooking. But how would I do that now that the computer's up here? It might be a little bit tougher to do it. Loop ring. Dude, don't spam, man. I'm telling you, don't spam. It's not, didn't turn out very well for you, spammer. We are properly detached from the market, though. Lots of green everywhere I was seeing. So, Pringleton, I still think, we saw a lot of green today. Dang, man. I lost my ability to move. Weeble. I don't know why. We did see a lot of green today, but we saw a lot of green in some riskier stocks. I still think there was a lot of red today in the market as well, man. And you can kind of see it wasn't all green today. There's still a decent amount of red. So I wouldn't say that that AMC is only trading along with the market. The NASDAQ did do very well, up over 1% today. But, dude, yeah, AMC's been detached from the market for a while. It's just when the NASDAQ is going up for a while there, it was an indicator that safe money's flowing back in. I don't think that today was like just safe money flowing back in. So when we were trading alongside the NASDAQ, let's see if we can get the NASDAQ down here. So when we were trading alongside the NASDAQ over the last couple of weeks, I did think that after we double bottomed or triple bottomed here and started to bounce off this support line, that we had safe money, conservative money starting to flow back in. People were less worried about inflation and interest rates. The deal between Russia and Ukraine kind of calmed down a little bit. Not necessarily calmed down, but certainly wasn't escalating in the way a lot of people feared. And AMC was going up, the NASDAQ was going up, and this was more or less conservative money starting to flow back in. But this action right in here, man, I don't think that this is necessarily safe money flowing back into AMC. I think this is like a breakout and a lot of traders flowing in and buying and selling and buying and selling and trading the stock. So I do think that that's a detachment there that you need to look at if you're trying to determine why the stock is rising as much as it is. LabenTube, thank you very much for the super chat. I've been with you every day since started this AMC journey June of last year. Like you, I drown out the noise and just keep in mind shorts need to cover. That advice kept me calm and sane. Went green today. LabenTube, yes, man, that is what I'm talking about. So glad to see you're in here hanging out every day in the chat. I absolutely appreciate that super chat there, man. That is incredible, and I love to see people turning green from red to green today. I know that you're not the only one because we covered a lot of territory. We moved from like $22 up to $30 today. So I know a lot of people had to see their portfolios or had to see their AMC positions turning green, and that's gotta be a good feeling. The feeling that you have to overcome now, okay, is you sat down for such a long time. You saw red for such a long time. And I know there was a part of you that might have thought, dang it, dude, if I can just get back above, if I can just get back in the green, if I could just make some money, I'm going to be a little bit more careful this time. I'm not going to go into the red again. That's okay. That's okay. If you want to put stop losses on there and not go into the red, absolutely. I get it. It's your portfolio. But don't be too eager to just hit that sell button because you guys are green now. Now the battle becomes we have to remember why we're here, even though we're making money. So it is going to be a different battle. A lot of people were just mad and didn't want to sell AMC because they were down. But now that we're up, The battle becomes how long can we hold out? But LaBenTube, thank you very much for the super chat, man. Devil's Advocate, can you keep it simple with me on prog? When buy? Shoot, man, probably now buy. When MOS? Tomorrow. Julia, it's always tomorrow. Clay, can the Shiba developers add a burn mechanism at this stage? Say 1.5% burn on every purchase. Is it a good idea? I would pat back burn 1.5%-ish. So, Remy, I don't think so, okay? And here's why. With actual Shiba transactions, they don't own that contract anymore. They don't own, they can't do anything to Shiba. Think about it like this, man. Because I'm not even 100% convinced that Satoshi and Eric and these guys are actually the ones that created Shiba, or that they're actually the ones that are on the team of Ryoshi that created Shiba. I think they may have seen the popularity in Shiba and seen potential there and started to build up this thing around it, right? Because they can't control Shiba at all. Shiba has been locked and set away. Shiba's done with development in that regard. And, I think that's what a lot of people need to remember. So, no, they can't go in and change the tokenomics on Shiba Inu coin because that contract has been revoked. Mac Daddy Cross. I don't know if we got the Mac D Cross. Depending on what Mac D you got, yeah, I'm sure that we could. Tomorrow MOS. AMC Chapter. Tomorrow is the MOS. Shiba Inu to Pluto. AMZ to Pluto. Shiba to Pluto. I'm out at 30 and need quick pumps and liquid. What's next, homie? Outdoor Smile. I have no idea what's next. I'm not out at 30. But if you guys are out at 30, I don't know what's going to be next. If Glaybro streams for 5 minutes over normal time, MOS is confirmed. KO bets. We're going to have to see how long I can go then. 5 minutes? I think I can handle 5 minutes, man. Don't sell under 500. Can't be so net. Yeah, 500. I mean, you can sell under 500 if you want, but that's 500 is still going to be incredible. That's too bad. They should have incorporated a small burn percentage, say 1%. Yeah, Remy, they could have, man. But the thing is, you didn't have a ton of tokens doing these tokenomics burns and percentages going to developers and things like that when Shiba Inu coin was created. That tokenomics didn't really do anything until SafeMoon kind of came out and did a lot with that and started to be like growing popularity with the fact that they were burning 10%. Basically, not burning, 10% tax. You were getting 5% distributions and then 5% was being burnt. So, yeah, Shiba Inu coin did go a different route with that. But I still don't think it's that bad, man. I still don't think it's that bad. I mean, if you look at how many tokens have been burnt, if they gave a 1% fee to the developers, 1% tax to the developers, those developers would be billionaires. There's been so much traded on Shiba that they would have had hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars. Made a lot of money from Apollo Inu. It was very early investor, Clay. Sold at 3 zeros. That's why I haven't been here for a while on vacation. Call me Alpha. Very nice, man. Clay, bro, if I heal up from this stupid back injury and train again, I'll be sure to mention you in the channel or even wear something promoting you out in the ring. Kyle, I love it, dude. Hopefully you do get better, man. I didn't know you had a back injury going on there. Nobody likes back injuries, but absolutely appreciate you, Kyle. That'd be amazing. Minimum 100. Yeah, Giuliano. I know a lot of people would love to go to 100. Touched 72 less than a year ago. Want to see it do it again? Don't touch the butt. Don't touch the butt. He touched the butt. Let's get it. 72, man. But if Volt Shiba and Shib get me rich, I'm not fighting again. Kyle, don't worry about fighting again. Let's get rich on tokens here. Do I Shiba right now? Steven, if you want to buy Shiba, you can buy Shiba, man. Listen, Shiba's at a level of resistance too. Shiba's sitting here at this 3,000 point per coin range, and we know that it's going to have resistance at 3,000 points per coin. If it breaks through, you're going to be doing very well. You can see it rise to 3,500. If it doesn't, we're sitting here at 2,800, and then potentially back down to 2,500. So you got that to think about if you're thinking about getting into Shiba right now. But AMC is the story of the day. AMC absolutely rolling. Pika Toad, thank you very much to the diamond. You guys know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Thank you very much, Pika. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there right now? Pika Toad, thank you very much for that super sticker. Absolutely appreciate that. Pika's hard like a diamond. Oh yes. Please smash the like for the bro and get more people in here so I can make Clay Bro eat a banana. AMC Trapper. I know what you want to see, man. I know what you want to see. That was a link on YouTube to my fights. You can check it out and laugh at me. I didn't actually see the link, man. I didn't actually see it. I don't know if links come through in the live chat there. I think YouTube holds up links just to deter people from going out and clicking on random websites. Bro, good afternoon. Good afternoon to AR. Kidding. Great afternoon. It has been a great afternoon. I got an AMC this morning, and what a welcome to the band. Hope keeps going up. New to the stock market and relying a lot on your advice. No pressure. AR, absolutely not, man. Look, dude, you got in at probably one of the best times to get in. You know, you got in basically the same deal as like some people I know that got into AMC back in May of 2021, man. With AMC, let's see if we can find it. Dude, I can never find any of these stocks on this chart. Yeah, I mean, you getting in today is just like getting in back here. May 26th, May 27th of 2021. You getting in this morning. Incredible entry. Dude, your entry might be as legendary as my Prague fill. That is awesome. Thoughts on breaking 0.0003 for Shiba tonight? Nah, dude, it's not going to break 0.0003 tonight. 4 zeros and a 3. It could do that, but 3 zeros and a 3, it's not going to do that. So it could break 4 zeros and a 3, man. I don't see why it wouldn't be able to do that. The question is, you need to have follow through and sustain that gain, though. If you do, 3,500 is my next level that I'm looking at. Banana sticker should receive 5-minute grace period for someone to ban and negate it. Oh, outdoor smile. That's actually a good idea, but I don't know. That would be messed up. If somebody 5-minute grace period on somebody to negate the banana sticker, that would be a very interesting concept. I guess you could just test it now, man. Test it now. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the super sticker. AMC Trapper, I'm looking at you and I'm thinking about you. Man, you got to peel that banana. Guys, for all of you that don't know, this is the lick and stick technique. What you do is you tilt the head back a little bit. You look right into AMC Trapper's eyes, and then you just give it a little lick and a stick. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the banana super sticker, man. Absolutely appreciate that. Don't close your eyes, man. Don't close your eyes. I was looking right at you. Can you give us a squeeze scenario to have an idea of what to expect? How long it would take? So AR, yes, okay, we can go through a couple different scenarios, but nobody knows exactly which one's going to play out. But I do think that you should absolutely be prepared and have an idea of what things could look like. So expect volatility. That's the first and foremost thing that I'm going to say first and foremost. Expect volatility. And as we are expecting volatility, we are also eating that sandwich. Cassie. Is there cheese on here? I love cheese. Cassie. That's really good. Cassie, thank you very much for that cheeseburger. Absolutely appreciate all the super stickers, guys. You guys are incredible. So, going back to the volatility, volatility is going to be incredible during the short squeeze. Now, let's look back at a graph of June really quick. And you can see that as you run up here and you have hundreds of millions, almost 1 billion shares being traded on these days, you know, this day right here is rolling from $37 to $72, 100% increase. The very next day, you're going from 70 all the way back down to 38, basically a 50% decrease. Now, the thing is, we could have easily ran back up and broke through this line, but people were sitting here and you know, Adam Aaron started to dilute AMC, he started to sell to Mudrick, he started to sell to different banks, and we had a lot of selling pressure and a lot of new stocks being sold in this area. If we don't get that again, we could absolutely start to just break these highs. And if we don't have incredible selling pressure, then we could really watch the stock go to unlimited gains. 69, people think they're funny, and people will have price targets at $69. You know, people will have price targets at $100 just because it's nice and it's just a nice even number and things like that. There will be psychological levels to break through. If AMC does roll up to $420, people will think it's funny to sell at $420.69. You know, I don't know if we're dealing with an immature crowd or whatever, but the type of crowd that's buying AMC, they think these numbers are funny, and they will put their take profits at those numbers. So we will see pullbacks at these significant levels. And, you know, in order to deal with that volatility, you have to keep in mind, do you want to hit these levels and break through? Do you want to start trading it at that point? What is your game plan? You know, if you hit 72 again and we pull back to 40, people are going to be smacking themselves and saying, okay, I'm out now. I'm out. We're not going to deal with this same type of manipulation. I'm not going to spend another year in AMC, and we might see an extended sell-off. There's going to be so much volatility. You have to have your mind made up before you get in. If we break up to 100 and fall all the way back down to 60, you're going to see a 40% decline in the price of the stock, and it's going to make people upset. But if the shorts don't cover, you know, do you cover, I guess? If the shorts aren't closing, are you closing? What are you basing your trade on? You have to know that now. 6,900 is my price target. Yes, see, he's still got the 69 in there, but at least he's going to 6,900. AMC Trapper, I love it, man. I love that. Ain't no $69. $6,900 is where it's at. I mean, that scenario timeline is a little off. The offering was over 2 weeks into May 2021. Then we ripped. No, KO Bets, actually, they did offer, I think, on like June 3rd, man. June 2nd or June 3rd. We can go back and look at the filings if you want. But they did offer on, I believe it was June 3rd. But we can absolutely look at it. So, I mean, if you want to go in there and see, we're sitting here trading at $60 in this range after the run-up. We did have an offering in this area right here. So we did fall pretty hard. It did bounce back, yes, but we had an offering come through with sales being made on June 3rd. I do know that, and you can look at that. You can double-check it and come back if you want to say no on that, but I have looked that number up, so I do know it was June 3rd. Ever since my midget neighbor dressed as a leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day, he's been killing it. Way green, Irish green on all of his positions. I love it. Johnstown, man. Any sort of positivity is welcomed in here, man. Even if you're going to be dressing in green, to see that green. I love the action, man. I'm taking off like a helicopter. Later, y'all. Shredda, enjoy your afternoon, man. Enjoy your evening. Offering was completed 2 weeks into May, and then we ripped. I don't know about that. KO Bets, go double check that. Mudrick tweeted they sold their shares on June 1st. Yeah, dude, but come on, man, don't make me. Just go double check, man. I can do it now if you want, but I know that there were filings on June 3rd with AMC selling shares. No shares available to short is right there. Check Fintel before you make a mistake and sell. There you go. Flyboard. Flyboard Portugal. Very good. That's also something that you can check. Here's the thing, though, man. You know, if you're looking at different numbers and using sites like Fintel and Ortex and so on, you really have to trust them. You really have to trust that their numbers are not estimates and their numbers are, you know, actual numbers. Sleep time. Good night, Clay and the bros. Crypto Rocketeer is like, forget this, man. I'm going to get some good sleep tonight, not even staying to the end of the stream. Crypto Rocketeer, enjoy your night, man. Selling at 600,000. Dang, man, Julia eating the sauce over there. She's waiting all the way to $600,000 a share. I like it. GME up 125% since March 15th. Dude, it is incredible how far GameStop has come. AMC doing the same thing. AMC was sitting at $13 per share just 2 weeks ago, and it's sitting at $30 per share today. See you later, Crypto Rocketeer. Have a good night. Absolutely no shares available to short is right there. And check Fintel before you make a mistake. And sell. Flyboard Portugal. Thank you for yet another update. Darn, someone YOLO'd 1.5 million on $145 June 2023 calls today on, oh my God, Drummond, is that for real? Oh, no. Oh, God, here we go again. Dude, if that's the case, man, if that's the case, we definitely are in the same excitement level as we were back in 2021. If people are buying millions of dollars worth of $145 strikes, then yes, we are getting back to the good old days in 2021. Selling half at 25,000 per share and the other half 50,000 per share. Let's go, mariachi. Man, I really do hope all of you guys get these numbers. Please know these numbers are not going to be easy to reach, but I hope you get them. So no, little Timmy, we can look at what is that, Bed Bath & Beyond, but I do not have any Bed Bath & Beyond. And we don't look at it too much, man, but we can absolutely look at it if you want. Bed Bath & Beyond also performing phenomenally today. I imagine it was following AMC and GameStop and the meme stock hype even higher, but doing very well today. I don't know if Ryan Cohen had said anything about Bed Bath & Beyond. I know a lot of the gains here recently have been tied. I got like an eyelash or something. Covered my eye. I don't know if Ryan Cohen said anything about Bed Bath & Beyond today, but I know a lot of these recent gains have been based on what he said. I think this day was something about him buying or doing something with Bed Bath & Beyond. And then it's seen a lot of action based on Ryan Cohen's moves there. Just a little recap, guys. After hours, we got AMC sitting at 29.11 right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 28.80. Prague is down 3.5%, almost 4%, sitting at 155 after hours. This is the NASDAQ, sorry. GameStop down here sitting at 188.99, basically $189 after hours. Farmy sitting down about 1% after hours. We've got Sundial down almost 2%. Mullen Auto down about 1%. CEI down slightly. BBIG down slightly. And Highcroft Mining sitting at $2.34 after hours right now. We want to see gains, guys. We want to see gains, but it's okay. Even if we stall out a little bit from here, we had an amazing day on AMC and on GameStop. Made my first leverage trade today since selling everything and doubled my money. Only bought 30 shares, but it's a step in the right direction. I hate apples. I love it, dude. I love it. Be careful with leverage, okay? I'm sure you guys know about leverage, but be careful with leverage. It can get risky. It can get dangerous, but I love the fact that you're making money, man. As soon as I hit $20,000 profit, I'm paying off my credit cards. Woohoo! Yorkie. Beautiful goals, man. Beautiful goals. I don't know what price targets you're looking at, but I love people going debt free. Okay, just that's awesome, man. I hope everybody, if paying off your debt is your deal, I hope you get it. Buying a new house is your deal, I hope you get it. If you guys need a new car, I hope you get all of your goals on AMC, GameStop, Shiba, all of these things that we talk about. Hope you guys make it, man. Clay, what are your brackets, bro? So I'm good, thanks. I don't necessarily have any price expectations or brackets. I would be okay if AMC goes to $100. I would be okay if AMC goes to $10,000. I am looking at the short interest. I am looking at the short squeeze numbers, and I am willing to accept if those short squeeze numbers come down and AMC is sitting at $80. I'm willing to accept that. If AMC is sitting at 500, pulls back down to 200, and the short interest is either still there or growing, I am still in, man. I am committed to a short squeeze. So I don't have any brackets whatsoever. I don't have any price expectations. I hope it reaches $1,000, but I don't have any these are my numbers to worry about. These are my numbers to look forward to. The numbers I'm looking at, man, short interest. If Adam Aaron dilutes the stock by twice as many shares and our short interest drops down to 10%, that's going to suck because I'm looking at that 10% number. I'm looking at the short interest and not necessarily the price. I know $600,000 is a crazy number. Keeping a percentage to see how high it goes. I'm not delusional. A good deal, Julia. And that's cool, guys. If you want to keep 5, 10%, 20%, whatever, 50% of your shares to see how high you can ride it out, do it. I hope every one of you guys makes it out debt-free with enough money to either have a beautiful trading portfolio, to buy a house, whatever your guys' goals are, man. I hope you get that. Just when things go up, people sell, and we're right back down. It drives me nuts. People can never hold. So, Kyle, that's because you got a lot of traders out there, man. You know, you got AMC trading 200 plus million shares today. Dude, I can never find. AMC trading 224 million shares today and roughly a 43% turnover rate. A lot of people buying and a lot of people selling over and over and over and over again today. So you got to keep that in mind, man. A lot of trading activity going on, not buying and holding activity. I think 10,000 sounds much better. Dude, 10,000 clearly sounds much better than 1,000. My opinion too, dude. Duke or UNC, Clay? North Carolina, man. North Carolina. You got to go University of North Carolina on that one. JB, all day, man. All day. North Carolina. Dwight, I already smashed it twice. Smash it once, man. Smash it once. You only got to smash the like button once. Thank you very much, Dwight, for reminding everybody to click that like button. We got 291 people in here. We better have 200 likes. PWL, I would be ecstatic if it hits 10,000. Dude, if it hits 10,000, yes. If it hits 10,000, I give all of you guys a free bro shirt for doing nothing but being in here. Clear up, we get $500. We're going on a date. No homo, wife proof, just saying. Droman, let's go, man. Let's go. It's $500. We could be virtual. It could be in real life. Let's make it happen. Shiba started running again, folks. Let's get it. Shiba did start running. She was sitting at 29.05, hit 29.05, sitting at 28.96 right now. JG, facts. Julia, oh yeah, facts, man. If it hits 10,000, it'd be incredible. AMC's on fire. Kalani, AMC is on fire. I think this is a start of a new bull run. So, Dwight, I do think this could be the start of a lot of excitement and a lot of volatility pouring back into AMC. You know, I didn't see as much action in other stocks as I would have liked to indicate an overall bull run in the market. The NASDAQ performed phenomenally today. I really liked, the fact that it bounced back. It touched this level of resistance here, bounced back down a little bit, but actually broke through it. So knowing that it broke that, man, I mean, if it breaks out of this area right here at 14.5, dude, we're going to be looking for a nice run back up to 15,000. And at 16 is the all-time high. So this is the next major level of resistance, this 15,000 level with a little resistance in here at 14.5. So, yeah, man, we could absolutely see a move in the overall market pretty soon, especially based on how well we've been doing and breaking through these resistance lines lately, that it could lead to a new bull run in the market after a nice 15-20% pullback here, going from 16 down to 12 and then bouncing back up to 14 rather quickly. Yeah, man, I'm excited about the overall market's move, but I would have liked some more action in some of the higher cap stocks too to confirm an overall bull run. AMC, on the other hand, yes, I think the excitement is returning. We are right here at a strong level of resistance. If we break that, it's only going to get better. It's only going to get better. But very significant level that we're at right here. So it's going to be very important to see what happens tomorrow on AMC and GameStop. Let's go back out to, let's watch GameStop after hours here. We got Farmy doing nothing after hours, sitting at 15.33, down about 1%. We've got Sundial down 2%, Molinado down roughly 1.5%, CEI down 0.5%, BBIG down 0.5%, Highcroft sitting at it's $2.35. So a lot of good action in the meme stock categories today, guys. We'll keep that up there. What is the most trustworthy and reliable way to see if shorts are covering? Peter James, it depends. You know, if you want to look at actual reported short numbers, you're going to see a lag in time. If you believe Ortex's estimates, you've got that. If you're strictly looking at volume and the ability to determine whether or not, if you're strictly looking at volume, the best you're going to be able to determine is whether or not shorts could have covered. So you're either going to be lagging if you want confirmation on the reported short shares being covered, or you're going to have to trust a reporting source like Ortex, or you're going to have to determine real time what could be happening. I don't know which one of those is going to be most reliable. Those are the ones you're going to have to weigh for yourself on what you feel most comfortable basing your decisions on. Lagging, trusting another source, an estimated source, or real time could be happening. Dwight, thank you very much for the super chat. Dwight says, go crypto. Let's get it, man. Crypto is actually doing very well today, too. Bitcoin up 2%. Shiba Inu coin soaring up 13%. Ethereum doing very well. A possible Ethereum merge coming out in the second quarter. That would be incredible. Ethereum sitting at $3,400 per coin right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $2,900 and Bitcoin sitting at $48,000. We've got a lot of action going on in crypto. Yes, Dwight, go crypto, man. Loopring, is Loopring running? Hey, bro, how do you think Ethereum can do with the proof of stake? And if the price could skyrocket, some people believe they could overtake. So, I do think the Ethereum could double in price, man. I do think it could double in price. And then you would be knocking on Bitcoin's door. Sorry, I didn't mean to move that. Then you would be knocking on Bitcoin's door. I don't know if it'll happen with the proof of stake, but if they drastically improve Ethereum, yeah, man, I think you could see a drastic increase in Ethereum, in the price of Ethereum. I just don't know if it's going to be enough, you know? It's tough to say that it's gonna flip Bitcoin, but I do see people saying that. I don't know if you've seen it. It's a ball. Did you see that freaking run today, bro? Let's go. Kurt, yes, I did see the run today, man. The run was amazing. It's being called a MOAS. I imagine it has to be higher than Volkswagen. So Mariachi, yeah, you would hope that it's higher than Volkswagen. But you have to remember, Volkswagen was sitting on higher prices, okay? Volkswagen basically quadrupled, going from roughly $200 to $1,000, quintupled. AMC already did much better than that, dude. AMC was sitting at like $2, ran to 70. AMC basically over a week's period went from 12 to over 70. So AMC did already percentage gain better than Volkswagen did. It just didn't hit higher prices. Let's see. Guys, if we get to 29.30, we could boost to a 29.70 resistance, and from there go to 3200. Let's go. Technical analysis is looking good. Yes, Puringo looking at Shiba Inu coins technical analysis. This seems like Ethereum ripped. Let's get it, man. Cosmic Lightning Warrior loves loopering. Cosmic Lightning Warrior, I forget who Cosmic Lightning Warrior is. Man, I'm losing my voice today. Came across this coin today, ALCX. Thought it was a very interesting. Tori, interesting, man. I don't know anything about ALCX. Anybody else see that? Bought some Fortune token last night. I think it has potential to 10,000x. Very low cap and single-digit millions. Dude, you guys want to check out Fortune token? Sounds like it could be very cool, Dwight. Dude, if you 10,000x on that, man, I hope you make some sick money. Is this a gamma, or is it because AMC news today? So, Sam, I don't think that this was necessarily a gamma. I think this was a lot of trading. I'm basing that on the fact that, you know, there were only 7.5 million shares that, if none of them were hedged for, would have expired in the money. We had 200 plus million shares being traded today. And if you look at volume, you can see that volume was 225 million, and then the turnover was 43%. People were buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. People were not buying and holding today. So I don't think this was necessarily a gamma squeeze. It may have been because of some excitement last week, but we broke resistance and we went to the next level of resistance. So I think it was a technical breakout and a lot of traders jumping in and taking advantage of the price swings, man. That's me. I don't know if anybody else would agree or disagree, but that's what I think the vast majority of the gains we saw today were from. Clay, Cosmic Lightning Warrior is a GME. Gotcha. Okay, Julia, gotcha. That's probably why I don't know who he is. I think you've mentioned it before, though, because it sounded familiar, but I didn't know. I feel like our volume needs to be in the 400 million plus for it to be for it to take up. Sam, maybe. I don't think that volume actually needs to go higher to see higher prices. I think that we can see higher prices on lower volume. I think a lot of people typically confuse high volume with higher prices, but high volume means higher volatility. It doesn't necessarily mean higher prices, because you can have a huge sell-off on high volume. Bro, when the squeeze takes place, do we have all eyes on the monitor, or can you give us a call? I'm not going to call you up. You can listen, but you don't have to be watching, man. You can definitely listen. TMI's box says FOMO kicking in. I don't know if FOMO's kicking in yet, but I think FOMO will be kicking in here pretty soon. Crypto crashed so hard. This isn't FOMO. People are just starting to invest again. I agree with that too, man. I think that money is starting to view crypto as potentially safe once more. and they were afraid for quite some time. What a day, Mr. Johnny London. What a day it was, man. Insane. By Danelle. Danelle's leaving. Oh, no. Danelle's, oh, my gosh. How in the world is it already 5 o'clock? Oh, my goodness. How in the world is it already 5 o'clock? Guys, I do want to say 171 likes. This is by far the best you guys have done in such a long time. If we can get to 200, that would be incredible. But I am very happy with 171. I appreciate every single one of you guys in here, man. I wish you would stay in here and hang out with us every day. But I know you guys don't want to see it going down sometimes. Going up is incredible. And I appreciate every single one of you guys, man. 283. I hope to see all you guys here in the morning, too. Netcoin is Canada's largest exchange, and it just listed Shiba. Boom, baby. Shiba getting listed left and right. Good evening, Clay and everyone. Cerdistic Roy. Good evening to you. So glad you're in here. People are also noticing that there's a relationship between crypto and the stock market decoupling. Man, I'm losing my voice. Yeah, man. And I think that people are, people were afraid a couple of months ago. Into just really a couple of weeks ago, but over the last couple of months leading into maybe 2 weeks, people were afraid of inflation. People were afraid of interest rates. People were afraid of Russia. People were afraid of crypto executive orders. There was a lot to be afraid of. People are afraid of that C word that YouTube doesn't let you talk about. People were afraid of a lot, and I do think a lot of that fear is just leaving the market. Anytime fear leaves the market, you can see gains. Anytime fear is in the market, you don't expect to see gains. People are very, very emotional when it comes to their money. And although they shouldn't be, they are. And you do see sell-offs in times of fear. Good job on the likes, people. Excellent job on the likes, guys. Absolutely appreciate all of you, man. Appreciate you also. I will remember you and become a millionaire in all of the Shiba army. Yorkie Inu, that's what I'm talking about, man. See father doing after his triple hernia surgery. He should never have tried to lift that van over the weekend. I don't know if he lifted a van or not, man. That sounds insane. 10 more likes. We only need 10 more likes? Guys, 10 more likes. 5 more likes to get to 200. All right, let's see. Let's go 200. Clay might need a midnight stream. I will be sleeping at midnight. I can almost guarantee you that. Shiba hit 2,900. Shiba at 2,900. AMC at 29.20 right now. Prague at $1.61. We've got GameStop sitting at 189. We've got Farmy sitting up after hours. Sundial, okay. I mean, guys, amazing day today. Amazing day today. How much you really appreciate Money B? You guys have no idea, man. You guys have no idea. I mean, honestly, if you want to know how much I appreciate, you scroll through Twitter and you see people just dogging and ripping on YouTubers and people who spend their time on YouTube. And then I come here and we have a great time, great discussions, and everybody keeps it positive in here. We never have any problems with anybody in here disrespecting anybody else. I really do. I mean, you guys are the type of people that I want to surround myself with. And, I mean, it just gets weird if I keep going on and on and on about it. But, yeah, man, Money B, I really do appreciate you guys. The fact, the way that you act in here, the positive atmosphere that you guys build in here, watching videos, contributing during the live chats, all of that stuff, man. All of that stuff. You have no idea. 5 alt accounts, I can get you 200 likes. Cassie's got 5 alts. She's going to get us to 200. We did seem to hit 210, though. Remy, very nice, man. You guys are incredible. I hope all of you guys come back tomorrow. It is 5 o'clock, though, and I do need to get a couple videos out. One's going to be for AMC tonight, so I still have to record those. So I will be back with videos tonight at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you guys want to do your thing, click the like button, share those videos, watch them, all that good stuff. But tomorrow morning, we will be back with the live stream. If you guys want to hang out a little bit, see what AMC's got going on, build yourself up, build everybody else up around you. Sincerely appreciate every single one of you. Get your names in the chat right now. We will be getting some shout outs going on here, and then I'm going to have to unfortunately end the stream so I can get those videos out tonight. But thank you guys very much for being incredible, getting the 200 likes, all of that good stuff, and having an amazing day today. Kyle, man, shout out to you, Manuel. See you later. Mark Crypto, Johnstontown, Ragas, Certus Croy. Enjoy your night. Johnstontown, Jace, Remy, Money B, Andan, Ahmad. See you later. Paul, AMC Trapper saying, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Johnstontown, Frank, see you later. Let us become a millionaire soon. Let's get it. Roulette wheel. JB, love you too, man. Ragas, see you. Mr. Johnny London, see you later. Enjoy your night. Peep TB God, see you later. Let's go. Alice in Wonderland, have a wonderful evening. Cassie, 214 likes. Thank you very much, Cassie. Kyle Brandy, see you later. Doyle, enjoy your night. Lynette Perez, good night to you. Tiffany, let's get rich on Shiba and AMC. Let's do it, Tiffany. If anybody else wants a shout out, get it out real quick. We will be coming back with videos tonight soon, so. Amanda Huggins, boom, fist bump to you. Crypto Rocketeer, I think you took off already. Nick F, Stephanie, Lauren, if you guys are in here listening, shout out to all of you guys. Bleacher, McLovin, see you both. Enjoy your evening, and you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Rosita, see you later. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.